English Catalan polite requests. Can you, equals.
Pot.
Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to sound politely powerful in Catalan? Today you'll nail the Catalan way to say, can you, that is.
Pot.
Think of it as your superhero polite opener. One little phrase, doors open, help arrives, and coffee smells better. Your goal today. Stay with me and keep it playful. You'll talk to strangers, friends, and whole groups without breaking a sweat. Formal singular to a stranger.
Pot.
Informal to a friend.
Pots.
Plural you, speaking to several people.
Podeu.
Extra polite, hotel lobby level.
Podria.
Magic word.
Si us plau.
Please. Forms and register. Use the right form for the right moment, and your Catalan will sparkle. Let's set the scene. At a cafe, formal, excuse me, can you bring water, please?
Pot. Si us plau.
With a friend, informal, hey, can you call me?
Pots.
Speaking to a group, can you all wait a moment?
Podeu.
Ultra polite at reception, could you help me, please?
Podria. Si us plau.
Core verb to remember.
Poder.
To be able to. Mini dialogue. Hear it in action and steal the rhythm. Repeat after me with drama. A.
Bon dia.
B.
Bon dia.
A.
Pot. Si us plau.
B.
És clar.
Of course. Pro tip. Add a smile. Your accent instantly improves by 12%. Pronunciation groove. Lock in the melody so it rolls off your tongue. Keep it light and bouncy. Say it short and polite.
Pot.
Da da. Now with a request.
Pot.
Open the door, mime the door. Whisper version for libraries.
Pot.
Friendly switch.
Pots.
Group beat.
Podeu.
Extra smooth.
Podria.
Culture tip. A tiny tweak makes you sound naturally courteous. Here's how locals do it. In a Barcelona cafe, start with
Pot.
and finish with.
Si us plau.
Add eye contact and a friendly tone. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the Manners Hero achievement. Quick quiz. Fast checks to make it stick. Answer out loud. Q1. What's the formal Catalan for can you? Question mark single quote. A.
Pot.
Q2. Informal singular. A.
Pots.
Q3. Plural, you. A.
Podeu.
Q4. Extra polite, like, could you? Question mark single quote. A.
Podria.
Q5. What's, please, in Catalan? A.
Si us plau.
Challenge time. Ready for real-life missions? Keep it playful and brave. Mission 1. Mime calling a taxi and say.
Pot.
Mission 2. Ask a friend to send a message using.
Pots.
Mission 3. Ask a group to wait a second.
Podeu.
Bonus hotel mode.
Podria. Si us plau.
Extra smooth. Wrap up. Nice work, your polite request toolkit is ready. Keep the groove going. Thanks for listening. Practice
Pod.
today whenever you make a request and sprinkle in.
Si us plau.
For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.